Hello, you want to see how I cook this broth stock? Watch this video so you don't miss out. So yeah, I added in my potatoes, my clean chicken, pepper, ginger, garlic, carrots. I added in some onions. I added in some spring onion. I added in powdered Maggi, and I added in my minced bell peppers. You can decide not to cut your peppers, your carrots, your ingredients, and you can use any ingredient of your choice. So I added in salt and I added in olive oil. So now I'll add in water and I will stir together properly. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning. May the good Lord bless you. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing. Keep coming in for more amazing videos. If you are new, please subscribe. So here it is cooked. I added in the remaining of my vegetables. You can use any vegetable that you are comfortable with. This soup is a go when it is cold. It's Italian meal. You can decide not to cut your vegetable. You can decide not to peel your potato. Thank you for watching. So I added in my parsley and I will cover to simmer. So yeah, it's ready. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for tuning in. Blessings.